Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Maleficent on Dress to Impress. I'm going to remove everything except for the horns because I did use adjustments and hopefully I remember everything that I used. For the hair, I used this hair in this color 705A49, and then I used this horn from VIP 6F5948 in light silk. Position the Y.51, rotated the same skillet and like to 0.45. Oh my god, can I talk? Hello? Sorry. For the outfit, I did use some VIP items, but let's get started. I used this skirt here in all matte in this color, 362B23, and again here. And then for the outfit, I used this one in the fourth toggle in that same color. And then for the outfit, I used this skirt. I'm like forgetting what I wore. In square skirt in matte. I think I did light silk actually in this color. And then I also used this top in this color and then this color. Then I also used this in no corset and fur in this color, and then in that color again. Let me make it matte. And then on the last one I did this one. Then I got these wings and I colored it this one as well. And then for the sleeves I have this on, this one, and I'm just going to color it this color and then this and then that and then this again and then this color. And I think that's all I used for this, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!